In this video, I am going to show you how to fix WhatsApp. Your phone date is inaccurate. So first of all, open up your iPhone settings. On your settings, you have to tap on General. In General, you have to tap on Software Update. In Software Update, you have to make sure that your iPhone is up to date and there are no updates available. Once you make that sure, you have to go back to your settings main screen. Now over here, you have to tap on General. In General, you have to tap on iPhone Storage. On iPhone Storage, you have to scroll down and tap on WhatsApp. So from here, you very simply have to tap on Offload app, which will remove the WhatsApp application from your device but will keep its documents and data. So you very simply have to reinstall your WhatsApp application, and by doing this, you will be able to easily fix your WhatsApp, your phone date is inaccurate problem. So everyone, that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.